Okay, today's September 9, 2013. Let's go back and review some of the coal stock that I talked about, I believe maybe a little bit over a week ago. First of all, is Walter Energy. As you can see, the first time we talked about that, we're basically looking for a breakout right here, and I took a play on that, and then I just kind of took the profit and ran. And then the next level that also kind of got us a little breakout is again similar like today. It broke out here. So now essentially we basically want to see would it be able to get back up here at this somewhere around this 17 or this is 1650, 1660 level here. So basically playing down up to this particular pivot, pivot low here. And if we could break out of that, then maybe the next level will be near this 20 area. Well, it's actually somewhere around the 1979. So that's Walter Energy. And then today, the real winner on this coal sector is Cliff Energy, actually. And you can see Cliff Energy, kind of been trending up on this, holding up of this trend line. And in addition to that, it kind of broke this long-term, little bit of a downtrend line here at this point over here. Right? And it's kind of came up and hit some resistance right near at this particular level here, which is somewhere around the 2486, 2490 area, and it kind of pulled back. So, and then you can see that there was some price action here that actually we could play the breakout, and you can see today it kind of broke out, and it just ran off, and I believe today was up over nearly 6.5%. So we're basically looking for Cliff Energy to see could it come back up here to attack this area, this particular level here, somewhere around the 2538, or at least get up to the 200-day moving average here, somewhere around this 2450. So, and the other one is Alpha Natural Resource, and you can see also it's kind of been coming up on this particular trend line here, and it's been holding. Maybe it could get back up, trying to break out of this particular resistance and get up to this level here near the 200-day moving average, somewhere around the 750 area. So that's one of the another coal to watch, because essentially you could see that here's the double bottom here, and there's a little pivot that it kind of broke to this little double bottom pivot, and right now it's kind of making it up here and try to break out of this 665. And if you could also notice that in addition to this double bottom, you could kind of look at it like a cup and handle for a break. And if we play this kind of major move, it probably will get up to somewhere around the 850 level here. Okay, and the other sector that we looked at, about a week or so ago is the casino stock. And this MGM, we essentially were talking about MGM when it was down here, and essentially we're looking forward to break 16. And then earning came out, and still, it just continued to break. Right now, it's also, today it's kind of broken out here. Essentially, we want to wait to see could it take out this particular pivot, this shooting stars type of a candle. We want to take out this high here. And you can see today it actually took out that high and then start moving up. So MGM might be continue to move up and get a little bit more upside. So, and the other one is WYNN Resort, and also again we're essentially waiting for it to kind of take out this pivot high here on the shooting star. And today it's kind of getting up there, and also, so right now, essentially, we want to see could it move above this 145.35 tomorrow. If we could get above that, we could see somewhere maybe come up and tag this 127 extension and get up to that 150 level. The other one is Las Vegas Sand. Las Vegas Sand, we're also talking about, coming down and break this trend line. And you can see right now it's kind of been riding up ever since it broke this level here, which is somewhere around 57.86, 57.81. Came down and tested, this level, this breakout level, and today it just surged ahead. So essentially, we're probably looking for this thing to continue to move, to a higher level, and possibly get up to, test this high here, right? And then the other one in the casino stock is Caesar Entertainment. And you can see that again, it just been heck of a move here ever since that it broke this particular baseline here. So if we take a Fibonacci retracement, and just to get some idea where this thing might be headed, and before you encounter some kind of resistance, you see that it came up to this 127, and it actually broke through this 141 now, and it's approaching this 161. So that could be somewhere around the near the 26 level, which is 2566. So those are the casino stocks. So when we switch it back to the daily chart here, you can see that Caesar Entertainment, after it break it, broke through this baseline here, and it's kind of, came down and tested that a little bit. Then it just went and surged ahead. So definitely, this stock is showing a lot of strength here, and look like it is going to be heading toward that 26 level. That's a really likely target that is most likely going to hit. And you can see the MACD is just kind of surging ahead. And if we go and look at the gold GLD, you can see that gold is, after it came up to this initial move here, basically filling out this gap pretty much. Yeah, take out this. If we take a look at here, at this level here, right? Once it broke through, then it came up here and encountered the resistance somewhere around this 136.50, 136.34. Right now, it seems like we, may be coming back down and possibly tag this trend line before it come back up and try to, take out this 136 again, and then maybe it will be able to move up here to this 142, and even possibly get up to this particular level of that 153. Because if you kind of take a closer look at this, there is a possibility of like a inverted head and shoulder. If it come down, let's say the price come down here and then tag it before it breaks. All right, so then if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool to just kind of get a little projection on this, then you can see that it actually could come up, to this particular level here. If we take a look, so basically come up to somewhere around this 150, 156.80, 157. Right? And if you also, another thing to look at is silver. Silver also came up and kind of tagged this resistance here and then kind of pulled back. So right now, essentially looking at the possibility, again, you could kind of make a little case of a inverted head and shoulder. And if that is the case, then we'll use a Fibonacci retracement tool here and kind of get a little bit of a measure move to see where it could go. And it seems like that it will likely be targeting somewhere around this little pivot low here. So that's basically this near that 30 level. So this is the what is this level here? Basically looking at this 2973, 2975 area. So, and then finally, tomorrow Apple is going to be making some product announcement. So let's take a look at Apple before we finish off this video here. And you can see Apple, basically, the key level that I was saying that we need to, get above is to close above this, this particular closing level here, right? And which is 507.74. And you can see that today I actually tried to get above that doing on intraday basis, but there seems to be some resistance there. And every time we get above that 507.74, there seems to be a seller and they're just pushing it down. And there wasn't any much of a buyer to actually lift a bid. So then, maybe people just kind of getting a little bit of, paranoid and don't want to really take a position until after tomorrow's product announcement or whatever that may be. But certainly, Apple is still holding up. And once it breaks through that, basically we're looking at this, 530, 539, 541, this particular gap fill from the previous video. We're talking about this particular gap fill here. This right here is the between 539 and 541 here. So, right now the Apple stock is still, holding up. So we'll see what happens tomorrow because certainly there's going to be some volatility. Usually, Apple on any kind of event day, there are a lot of wild swing on its price. And this is one of these events that it could turn out to be, you basically buy the rumor and sell the news. So hopefully, trading will be turn out good for you folks tomorrow, whatever you are trading. So good luck.